This is a big garden. People come to buy plants to decorate their house. I'm gonna show you about the roses to decorate your house. It's very nice here. A very big garden. Look. Oh my god. It's very super roses. You're gonna see many roses species. Yes, the same species, but many rose type. Look, red, pink, yeah, red, pink, right, pink. I don't know. Look, don't know what to call. Look, this is very nice here. See, this is nice answer. Lambing roses. See, this is lambing roses, but I don't know what the people here call. What's it? It's very nice. Good. This is the white rose, lambing roses. Look, this is a roses zone, roses flower zone.